Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic.
Question: Who is known as the father of the Green Revolution in India? Answer A. M.S. Swaminathan. Question: Which Indian scientist won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930 for his work on the scattering of light? Answer B. C.V. Raman. Question: Who invented the zero as a number, which revolutionized mathematics? Answer B. Brahmagupta. Question: Which Indian scientist developed the first indigenous atomic reactor, known as Apsara? Answer B. Homi J. Bhabha. Question: Who is credited with the discovery of the Raman effect? Answer B. C.V. Raman. Question: Which Indian mathematician is famous for his contributions to number theory and infinite series? Answer A. Srinivasa Ramanujan. Question: Who invented the bakelite plastic in India? Answer C. None. Bakelite was invented by Leo Baekeland. Question: Who is known as the father of the Indian space program? Answer A. Vikram Sarabhai. Question: Which Indian scientist developed the world's first vaccine for plague? Answer A. Halfkind. Question: Who was the first Indian woman to win a Nobel Prize in Science? Answer D. No Indian woman has won a Nobel Prize in Science yet. Question: Which Indian scientist was instrumental in the development of the Indian nuclear bomb? Answer B. Raja Ramanna. Question: The Jugaad innovation is commonly associated with which area? Answer A. Frugal engineering. Question: Who invented the wireless telegraphy in India? Answer A. Jagdish Chandra Bose. Question: Which Indian scientist is known for the Bose-Einstein statistics? Answer A. S.N. Bose. Question: Who is the inventor of the scintillation counter used in nuclear physics? Answer D. K.S. Krishnan. Question: Who pioneered the development of the Indian remote sensing satellite? Answer C. U.R. Rao. Question: Which Indian scientist discovered the Saha ionization equation? Answer A. Meghnad Saha. Question: Who invented the zero symbol in Indian mathematics? Answer A. Brahmagupta. Question: Who developed the first Indian satellite, Aryabhatta? Answer A. ISRO team under Vikram Sarabhai. Question: Which Indian scientist is known for pioneering work in plant neurobiology? Answer A. Jagdish Chandra Bose. Question: Who was the first Indian to win the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine? Answer D. None. Question: Which Indian inventor is known for the solar cooker? Answer A. Dr. Ashok Gadgil. Question. Who was the first Indian to be elected as the President of the International Astronomical Union? Answer C. Jayant Narlikar. Question. The discovery of the Kolar Gold Fields Underground Neutrino Observatory was led by which Indian scientist? Answer A. N.G.K. Menon. Question. Who invented the indigenous insulin production process in India? Answer B. V. Ramlingaswamy. Question. Who is known as the father of Indian botany? Answer A. Prafulla Chandra Ray. Question. Which Indian scientist was awarded the Bharat Ratna for his contributions to science and technology? Answer D. Both A and B. Question. Who developed the chlorophyll extraction method in India? Answer B. Prafulla Chandra Ray. Question. Who is credited with the invention of the blood grouping system in India? Answer D. None, discovered by Karl Landsteiner. Question. Which Indian scientist is known for the discovery of the Chandrasekhar limit? Answer B. Subrahmanyam Chandrasekhar.
Thanks for watching. If you've got any ideas or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.